You keep hearing that data is the skill of the future, but no one tells you where to start or what actually matters. I'm Santiago Tacoronte. I've built data analytics teams at places like Virgin, FlyDubai, and Mondelez, and I've personally hired and mentored hundreds of students, interns, and early career professionals. Most of them started just like you, curious but unsure where to begin. Now, they're crushing it into their roles, and I made this course so you can get there too. Most people don't grow up learning how to work with data. That's why this course starts at the very beginning, with no pressure, no jargon, and no coding. The complete data analytics course is built for beginners who want to feel confident about using data at work or in interviews. Even if you never opened a dashboard before, by the end, you'll understand terms like KPIs, machine learning, and data science, and actually know how to use them in real life. Inside, you'll get more than 40 lessons, real-world examples, and hands-on exercises. Easy access on any device. Simple, practical skills that you can start using right away. And yes, there is a 14-day money-back guarantee, so it's completely risk-free to try. If you want to get confident, grow your skills, and impress in your next interview, click enroll now and join 30,000 plus beginners who turn data confusion into career confidence.